ಬದುಕಲು ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪಟಾಕಿ ಯಾವಂದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಅಣ್ಸೋರ್ ನಾವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರ ಕೂದಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಗ್ಪಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಆ ಹಾಡು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ.
Yo boys, I am sing song. Kaila glass, only English. Hand glass, glass the scotch, ice full of beer. Empty life, girl come, life reverse gear. Showed me power, holy power. I want to hear now.
Okay, boss. Now let's listen to the rhythm of Chennai. Most part of flower and fire.
Shashank is really a man with talent, I must say that. So they say actions speak louder than words. That was the best example of it.